Okay, so let's take a look at Doge here. It's moving pretty good. It's got a little dip. Let's see, it was up at 22, 20, 21 maybe, almost 21 on the 26th. And today's the 29th, so that's 3 or 4 days ago. And yeah, so now it's back down to 17 even. Not a bad place to possibly make a buy for a scalp. So we're just looking at it here. This is the Dogecoin, obviously on Coinbase charting, and we're looking at the 6-hour time chart. The 6-hour time chart. We can break it down to where we'll go down to the 2-hour. 2-hour looks like that. So it's come down here. Looks like it's made a bottom. Who knows? A short-term turnaround. And there's the 1 hour. 1 hour showing the same bit of upturn. And then we'll walk it up to the 30 minute. And you'll see that it still is turning higher, turning up. It's from about noon today. Looks like it bottomed out around noon today, possibly. This is Saturday, March 29th, and this is evening California time, about 8 o'clock evening time. So we'll walk it up farther. We'll go to the 15. There's the 15. And you see the two white lines. One is the 30. One is the 60. And the 30 MA moving average, the 30-day moving average, is just about to cross over the 60 on the 15. So we'll see what that creates, and we'll walk it up to the 5. Excuse me, the 5 minute, and there's the 5 minute, and the 30's already crossed over on the 5 minute, and it looks like that. Nice little gap here, even gap, trending higher, and then down to the 1 minute. There's the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, it's on a little mini pullback. It's 0.17182. And we go back to the 5 minute. We really want to see this hold right here at 0.17183. We want to see that hold. We don't want that to come back down anymore. If we keep this uptrend intact. So the 5 minute, and it's kind of looking like it's going to not hold. On the 1 minute, you'll see it has pulled back. It's broken the 60-day MA on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, looks like that. So we're still trending pretty good. And let's go all the way out to here's the 1 day. There's the daily. So you'll see we were up here. When was that? That was April 13th. We were up in the 20, 25, 27. Is that right? March or January, February, February 13th. And now we're in March. It's pulled back down to 17 cents. Pretty much holding here. There's all that little bounce and back down to 17 even. And then we're hoping to see it do another little turnaround here. There's the 6 hour, so we're hoping this holds. Go ahead and buy here. And here's the 30, the 15, and the 5. So we need a green candle. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5 red candles on the 1 minute. We need a green candle to continue here on the 1 minute. Let's see. There's the 1 minute. And we're getting a little bit of action there. Anyhow, might be a little buy, or would have been a buy, I think, right here. A short-term buy on the 6 hours. See, it's a nice little pullback. It's all the way from 19-20 cents. How much percentage is that from here to here? Looks like it's 13%. So that's quite a move there. 13% down. Just from, this is just from the 26th. That's 3 days ago. Yeah, that's 3 days ago. So quite a few red candles here, and now we're on the buy and heading higher. Hopefully, we'll see what the 1 minute looks like. And no, the 1 minute is breaking down, not holding. So there you have it, not holding. There's your, I mean, you know, you can still turn around, but not holding above the 60. It's broken the 30 and the 60. And obviously it can do anything and will do anything, but seen a little sell pressure here. There's the 1 minute, so we'll follow the 1 minute. We're at 17 cents, 176.1717. And of course I get on here and watch it, and it's making a nice move, making a nice turn here, but now we're stalling out. Couple of green candles. So I don't know. And that's the best visual right there. 15 minutes always a pretty good one to go by. But on the 1 minute, you'll see it is losing steam. It's all the way back down under this nice move here. Made a nice move here, but now it's retracted it. That was loud. Did you hear that? I think I just got a. Okay. Anyhow, yeah. So now we're at the 15 again, seeing that turn, the 5, and the 1 minute. Oh, there you go. There you go. Let's pull back and ruin the chart. Come on, I just thought I knew what I was doing. Just thought I had something going. So the nice turnaround here. And now we're falling back. Oh yeah, okay, some little buys. But look at the trend lines now. They're the moving averages. Well, it hasn't busted through this should be the 30. It hasn't busted through the 30 yet. Still above the 30. Anyhow, you can watch this crypto on the Coinbase charting. Just go to Coinbase. You can make an account, put a little money in there, and mess around with these. It's a cross between gambling and gaming. Oh boy, see? The 1 minute, pulled all the way back. So we're almost back to where, well, I mean, look, it did it here, pulled back to the 60-day and resumed. So it's doing its little pull back. And someone turn the buy machine on so we can get back up here. That's the 1 minute. You're looking at the 1 minute Dogecoin on the Coinbase charting. There's BTC. There's Doge. Very similar. There's ADA. Cardano, I think it is. And there's the 1 hour for that one. And it's basically doing the same thing. There's our current pullback. Everybody's pulling back the same. Go to the 15. You'll probably see a pullback on Bitcoin. So there's our weakness right now in this little uptrend. Everybody's got it. There's the, we'll go to the 15 on each of them. There's your weakness, 15 weakness. Ethereum, 15 weakness, which not quite as much, but very similar. Pullback, pullback, pullback. Drop down to the 5. 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 Just under the 30-day moving average. We're hopefully getting a stop. Some buys come in. That's Doge. It's BTC. So BTC is resuming. Second green candle. That's the 5 minute. Let's drop it down to the 1. See what it really looks like. See, so that's a break in the trend. A pullback. And possibly another building for an uptrend. Bitcoin pulled back to 81 or 83, 160. So we're back down on Doge here on the 1 minute, back down to 0.171, 17 cents, 0.171. So it's really a minor pullback, but I mean it is a pullback on these terms. There's the 1 hour. There's the 30 minute. There's the 15. And there's the 5 on the 5. On the 1 minute. Seeing a nice turnaround. We'll see if it holds. Let's go look at there's Bitcoin on the 1 minute. You're seeing the same turn, same uptrend. Look how similar this chart looks to this. Very similar. There's Bitcoin and there's Dogecoin. And there's ADA cardano, very similar. The downtrends, the downtrend, downtrend, so they follow each other. As you may already know. So let's see if we can get back up above our trend lines. So yeah, you're watching the crypto market. This is Dogecoin on the Coinbase charting, and we're looking at on the 1 minute currently, and we've got a kind of a long, short, or well, let's see, how do you put it? On the 1 hour, on the 2 hour, on the 6 hour. On the 6 hour, you can see we've got a pullback. A multi-day pullback from the 26th. So 3 days. 3 days ago or so, it was at a high. And it's pulled back to where it started. So if you were a betting man, you could say that it's a good entry right here to continue higher. Go back to the 1 day and you'll see this. Bumps, bumps, down, down, flat. There's your little bump. There's your 3 day bump. And back down to 0.171. And now we're back to the 1 minute. We'll leave it on the 5 minute. And you'll see it move. You'll see it move a little bit. So hopefully that's a stopping candle there and a turnaround pattern. Back down to the 1 minute, and hopefully we've stopped the downtrend and we're heading back up. If you're watching this, you should have bought anywhere in this area here, from the blue line down, hoping it's going to be the turnaround from here. I turn around from here. So that's just under the blue line there. And you want to see it come back up, obviously, if you're going long. Okay, well, this is Saturday night, about 9 o'clock. I'm watching Dogecoin on the Coinbase charting. That's at 0.171, and no telling. Now we're dropping back, so it's lost its momentum from that turn. We'll keep watching, see what it does. But for now, good luck to you. Over and out.